This house wasn't designed as one single building. At the top of a mountain, surrounded by araucaria trees and facing a wide valley, Terra Catarina House is divided into several separate volumes. One holds the family's everyday spaces. The others contain guest accommodations, service areas, and the garage. Between them, there are more than just hallways. There are gardens, outdoor paths, and a glass-enclosed staircase that moves through the landscape. The house feels like a small village built for a single family. It is located in the mountains of Santa Catarina, Brazil, at the highest point of a property covering roughly 2.9 million square feet. On one side, the forest wraps around the house. On the other, the land opens toward the valley and the setting sun. Putting everything into one large structure would have created a massive presence on top of the mountain. By breaking the house into smaller volumes, each one finds its own place on the natural terrain. This arrangement also separates the family's daily life from the guest and support areas, creating more privacy. On the upper floor, the wood flooring also becomes the exposed ceiling of the level below. Visible timber beams reveal how the house was assembled and give the interior a more direct connection to traditional forms of construction. The cold climate also shapes how the house is used. 3 stone fireplaces, a wood-burning stove, and an outdoor fire pit create different places to gather throughout the property. The house may be divided into separate volumes, but daily life comes back together around the warmth of the fire. The structure combines concrete, steel, and wood framing. Inside, wood and stone add warmth and texture. Some of the wood comes from sustainably grown araucaria trees. Other pieces of imbuia and canela-preta had been cut in the region more than 30 years earlier. That same mix of different eras appears in the objects throughout the house. The new elements do not try to imitate the old ones. Smooth metal, polished concrete, local stone, aged wood, and personal objects are allowed to remain visibly different. The result is contemporary, but it does not feel disconnected from the family's history. Moving from one part of the house to another means crossing the landscape. The different volumes remain separate, while a metal staircase enclosed in glass connects the various levels, keeping the garden, the araucaria trees, and the sky constantly in view. The pitched roofs recall traditional mountain retreats, but their short overhangs allow sunlight to reach deeper into the rooms. Large double-glazed windows open the house toward the valley, while helping keep the warmth inside. The owners wanted more than a house with a mountain view. They wanted a place where the pace of daily life could slow down. A place for reading, watching the light change, staying near the fire, and experiencing the silence of the landscape. Catarina House is contemporary, but it does not try to erase the past. It breaks apart so it does not weigh too heavily on the mountain. And through its paths, gardens, and spaces warmed by fire, it turns one large home into a small village for a single family.